Open the carton, take out the e-bike and start the assembly process. Let's begin the assembly process. Unfold the e-bike, close the folding handles and lock the handles securely. Handlebar assembly. Remove the protective cap from the handlebar stem and insert it into the fork. The cable should always be in the forward position. Open the folding stem and secure the stem bolt with the tool provided. Make sure the handlebar is facing straight forward and the stem bolt is tightened securely. Installation of pedals. The left pedal is fitted counterclockwise to the left crank and secured with a tool. Right pedal opposite operation. Adjustment of the seat. Adjust to your height and secure the column quick release.